If you're a marketing professional or a small business owner and you're boosting posts from your page timeline, or you're doing it through the ads manager and it's a complete mess, I've got some great tips. So instead of doing that, what you need to be doing is really thinking about where you're reaching people in their customer journey and selecting one of the campaign objectives to match that. For example, if you're wanting to get exposure, brand awareness, which is the start of your customer journey, then you're going to need, for example, a video views campaign that's optimizing, trying to get you the cheapest cost per video view. You then could, for example, create a website traffic campaign, retargeting people who have consumed your video, introducing them to your service to visit your website. And then you could create a lead generation form campaign, retargeting your website traffic, trying to get them to supply their contact details for your service, or for maybe a downloadable resource. So stop boosting posts, clean up your ads manager, and all the best.